Hi there, I'm giving away 10 free exam vouchers for Maxed Fabric DP-700 and DP-600 exams, and now I will explain how you are able to win one of those. First, you have to go to school.com/fabricforge and join this amazing learning community for Maxed Fabric that I have founded with few other brilliant professionals. Here you can find a lot of courses about Maxed Fabric covering a very wide range of topics, and the best part is that this community is totally free to join. But to get one of those vouchers, you have to go to this community tab, and there you find my post about these vouchers, and you have to add your comment to this post to be included in the raffle. And yes, I'm giving away 10 vouchers in total, so there is a very good chance to win one of those. However, there is one thing you need to be aware of, and that is that these vouchers will expire very soon, and you have to be ready to take the exam almost immediately after winning the voucher. So these vouchers are only for people who are ready to take the exam in a few days. And I think we're going to be running these voucher giveaways in Fabric Forge in the future as well, so I would highly recommend you to join even if you missed this opportunity or are not yet ready to take the exam. But that is all that I wanted to cover in this quick video, so see you in Fabric Forge.